Welcome to my vlog. Happy Wednesday. Ano na ako, breakfast. Hanggang na ako fried rice, egg, and fish pop. Hey guys, enjoy your day. You know, because of the cold temperature of the aircon, I'm feeling that the cold is going to my head. Every morning, I feel my nose is black. You guys enjoy your day. Happy Wednesday and enjoy your day. I just need to cook breakfast before I take a bath and start my work. Middle of already. Today is first day of Ramadan. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share. So first, thank you very much. Bye.